1179 of the Traffic Act, which provides that if any unauthorized person removes a notice affixed on a vehicle or tears or defaces the notice, they are guilty of an offense and liable upon conviction to a fine not exceeding 200 shillings. I would want, with your permission, to say it in Kiswahili, shilingi 200. And with your permission, I can say it in Kijaluo, Seling Meareo.
Order, Millie.
I sought your permission, Mr. Speaker.
I never gave you any permission to go
I do apologize then.
Proceed, Millie.
And Mr. Speaker, the reason why I'm saying that is that this amendment seeks to move that fine from 200 Kenya shillings to 200,000 Kenya shillings, and a fine of 500 Kenya shillings to 500,000 Kenya shillings. And I am actually sad that I was not here when Hon Ichungwa was moving the tax policy. And your tax policy must be anchored on what you promised, which was, what are these people you are calling, what were they called? Hustlers. Which else are you going to find for removing a notice of a car, 500,000 Kenya shillings? Are you living in utopia?
Leader,
are you living in Mars? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you mental? Do you need a mental checkup? You are taking Kenyans crazy.
Order. I'll still give you your time. This is the sweetness of debate. What's your point of order, Leader?
Honorable Speaker, is a member really in order? And you've had the kind of unpalatables she is spewing, or asking whether people are crazy, whether they are sick, Honorable Speaker. But more importantly, we are debating the Statute Miscellaneous Amendment Bill. And we concluded debate on the tax policy motion, which was passed this morning. As usual, Millie Odhiambo was not in the House. I'm not sure whether she contributed to the tax policy. And probably to also understand that fines are to deal with people who have a penchant of breaking the law, people who believe that laws are there not to be followed. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, I would want you to get the Honorable Millie Odhiambo to restrict herself to the debate on the issues here. The tax policy debate was concluded and we voted on it in the morning. Honorable Speaker, we are therefore debating the Statute Miscellaneous Bill.